So guys, now I will teach you guys how to write well optimized SEO content, whether for Facebook advertising. So all you have to do is to open your Google Chrome. When you get to your Google Chrome or maybe any browser, then you go to SEO writing. So that's the name of the website we'll be using that to actually use it the right way. So you click on the first one right here, which is the SEO writing.pr, the first website. So you allow that to load. So the first tutorial I will be doing is if you are writing a blog post, a web optimized blog post. So then after I will teach you guys how to also write for ad, maybe for Facebook ad or Pinterest affiliate marketing for affiliate marketers. So you click on get started. It is free. So also this website also you can also use it to write ad copy, maybe for a product, or if you want to write a blog post using a particular product, you can use this for everything. So I'm just going to click on login with Google and let it load. It will take you to, this is how the interface is. So I'll teach you guys how to use it to write a blog post or to write affiliate marketing blog post. If you are an affiliate marketer who have a website as well, you can also use it. And also I'll teach you how to write ad copy, maybe for Facebook ad or use it for Pinterest. Yeah, if you're also using Pinterest, I'll also teach you how to do everything when you want that. So now this particular first one, I'll teach you guys how to write article first. So you click on this first one that says one click blog post. So you let it load and it will bring you to this stuff, right? So now this is where the job is. Make sure you pay attention. So it says the main keyword, which is which blog do you want to write about? Maybe you have a blog or you are a freelancer. So you need to know the blog you want to write about. Okay, so for the purpose of this video, let me say I want to write about holiday. So let me say like how to how to design my kitchen. Okay, let me use that, how to design my kitchen. So, and one thing about this too is like can also generate a title. As you can see, this place is entire your blog title or topic here. We don't actually know a title, and maybe the title may not be SEO optimized, so you just have to slide to the side and click on generate title. So let me zoom in so you can see. As you can see, this is the generate title button at the right hand side below the run button. So once you click on generate title, it will give you title that is well optimized and SEO optimized for this particular article. And another thing about this platform is that it's totally free. Though there's a paid plan, not like everything is free forever. There's a paid plan, but you also have a free plan which you can use. And the free plan does not require lot energy. The free plan doesn't give you a lot of problem as well. So the free plan is there, and the free plan, even if you use the free plan, it also gives you a good stuff, so which you can test, and then maybe later you can go for the paid plan. So now let's click on generate title. So as you can see, it already generated a title. It says design your ideal kitchen in 5 steps. I see different from how to design my kitchen, and the title given to us is design your ideal kitchen in 5 steps. So now let's come here. This one where you leave it in English, since we are writing in English, you write more there, you leave it in default. and tone of voice, leave it in friendly. Title country, leave it in the text since we are writing in English. So you leave everything like that, then you come. So it says what details you like to include. That is, if you want to include a phone number or email address. Since we are not including any them here, it says a high images, yes. We want image in our blog post, and number of images, you put it there. Any number you want, any style, leave it there. So the image size, if you have a brand name itself, you can put it there. And also additional instructions. It says YouTube videos. This YouTube videos means if you want a video, maybe a particular YouTube video explaining a particular stuff about the title you want to write about. If you want people to see a YouTube video of a particular maybe design as well, if you wanted to include it, you can put it there. And if you don't want it, you can just click, so you click on it, choose, but for me, I want it there. So now it says number of videos as well that I want in this article. So it says SEO keywords to include for the text. So it's asking for the SEO keywords that you want it to be in the text. If you do not provide the keywords, you will automatically generate relevant keywords. Because you have a keywords, you can put it there, and if you have a keywords, you can leave it. It says the hook, which means the beginning. How do you want it to be? Question, statistical, or fact quotation? So I'll just know with question. So I leave it like that way. Then you come right here. So we leave all that and come down here to this indication. So now this article, if you also have maybe if you want to this same article, you want to post it on Twitter, or you want to post it on LinkedIn or Facebook or Pinterest page or WhatsApp, you can also use that. You can just choose yes. Yes. So if you choose yes, it will also give you idea for this particular song. Maybe you have a blog post Facebook page as well. So now that everything there will come straight down, and then click on right. Okay, so you click on run at the top, and let's see what it generates. So as you can see, it's already generating. So the status is 3%. So until it reach 100%. So as this is loading, I read it to you guys, but I want to show you guys an example of this particular blog, what it writes, and it didn't long for that. So as it's loading, I will open that letter, then go and do some other stuff. So for people who have said if you're an affiliate marketer and you want to write this particular blog post for your product, so I will teach you how to do that one. So to do that one, I want you to open another new tab on your browser. You guys in Google, you can just click on it. So if you come to Amazon.com, I think affiliate market, that is we are promoting Amazon products, which is what I'm doing. So you guys promoting Amazon product, just go to Amazon. You guys promoting eBay product, it will be best if you also go to eBay. So since I'm promoting the Amazon product, I will just use Amazon. So we'll go to Amazon girls. Come. So you allow the page to also load. As you can see, we are on the Amazon website. So you have the app as well. You can download the app, but I think the website actually looks good. So now depending on the product you want to promote, I don't know the kind of product you want to promote. So let's say you want to promote let me see. Okay, for instance, Insta is coming. So let's say okay, let's go with ladies wear or ladies buying camera sets. Okay, let's go with this pajama set. So I'll teach you the trick step by step which guru use, writing a well optimized affiliate marketing blog post. So now, as you can see here, right here, you can see a lot of them right here. A lot. So one thing I wanted to do here is that I wanted to copy a link to every product. If you copy a link to every product, if you copy a link to every product, so leave the sponsor, just leave them out, and then from here. So you have to make sure you keep an eye on the reviews given. To make sure you keep an eye on the views given. One with a lot of reviews. Let's see. Now, this at the top here. You down, and then you copy address. Press it down. And do this to dread. I think using card products. Easy to. You can do this to hundreds of products. Just copy the address to copy the link address. So let me stop for there just for the purpose of this video. And then now we go back to SEO writing. So I guess by now the true should be already done writing my blog post. So it's already done. So let's take a look at the blog post actually right about designing a kitchen tools. So this platform, it will help you write blog posts which you can publish 5 a day. It will help you in such a way that you can actually get Google Access approval on time. So as you can see, the image, everything designed by the kitchen. In fact, that's the title. As you can see, everything straight down here. You see the video I said, it included the video as well. And then you see the image, like, you see, it even give you fact, everything. And trust me, when people read content like this, they're gonna like it. So now, you want to create another one for affiliate marketing product. So you click on create new. And then that's where we choose the one we are writing. So now I said for affiliate marketing, this you can also use the blog post for affiliate marketing that is inserting your product. But this one will actually help you in doing everything. So I can see this one says blog post, just like the one we did. This one says product roundup. This one says how to guide. It says a guide helps people use the product. That means if I'm an affiliate marketer as well, you can also use this one. But I will be teaching that one in another video, which is because I don't want this video to be too long. So this one is says product review. So now we come to this place that says product in this workflow. Write a complete Amazon product list in minutes. So that's the one we will be using. And I'm teaching you guys how to quickly do that. Don't forget the Amazon product link you want to copy. That is if you are using Amazon as your affiliate marketing company. You are an affiliate marketer on Amazon. So if you do have an affiliate marketing company you are working with before, and maybe you think of working with Amazon, then you can let me know in the comment section so I can make a video about how to apply to Amazon affiliate marketing using your phone. So this particular one is specifically for Amazon affiliate marketers. So now it says the first one, it says Amazon product link. We should enter the Amazon product link of what we want to write about, which is the link of the product we want to write about, which is the one we copied. Remember the link we copied were about the ladies' clothes. So don't forget, which means this blog post is particularly about ladies' clothes. So if you are someone who is into tech, it just means you have to go look for text on Amazon, maybe laptops, games, and stuff like that, and then to write to it. So now you paste the first link there, and then write your command. You enter a command. So once you enter a command, it will minimize everything. And don't forget to also save link, which means you can copy only 10 links at a time. That can write about only 10 links at a time. So you click this plus button right here. As you can see, it's already included over there. So you put this second one as well, and then click on this plus link below again. So you click on another one and put hit plus link again. So you do that to all the links of product you copied. And don't forget, don't add different products, like product from different niches, and then you add them there. No, it will be the same niche. So let me just stop at this two for now. So before we continue, if you are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you click on the subscribe button and put on the notification bell so you can get a well detailed video like this. If you are an affiliate marketer, especially affiliate marketer. So now, as you can see, now it is Amazon affiliate tracking ID, which is your tracking ID store. You have to also put that on there. So I'm just gonna come here and then write my store ID. So this is the post I know my store ID of I. That's why I was able to write this. If you don't know your store ID of I, you just have to log into your Amazon affiliate marketing account, and then you will find your store ID, tracking ID. The store ID this is different from tracking ID. So the tracking ID is the one you will put. So once you put it there, this, remember we copied the product link. We didn't copy affiliate link. It was a product link. So by entering the store tracking ID, it will make this AI tools to try to change the link to your affiliate link, whereby whenever people buy through it, you will get a commission. So that is, then you now click on, okay, so that's everything. Then click on generate list. That's it. So now as you click on, right, as you can see, this is the post. Everything it says best cute pajamas. So as you can see, and the link we entered explain everything about that product. The description, the pros, the cons, and parts too. This is the usage, materials, machine washable, everything about the linked product I posted there. So you can see, and then you see the view on Amazon button. This button is the button of your affiliate link. Whenever people click on this video and Amazon they purchase, you will get the commission for it. That is how to craft a well detailed product article for your affiliate marketing. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you click on the subscription button and put on the notification bell. So you just have to copy this and paste it on your blog post. So see you in my next video. Thank you.